Hi everyone, my name's Laura Boville. I'm an assistant professor of English at SWIC, and I was asked to respond to a question of how the college provides resources for students in terms of information literacy and the ethics of research. So as an English instructor, I do teach English 102, which is the second course in our rhetoric and composition sequence. English 102 we often refer to as research writing. So the main focus of the course is the ethics of research. How do you not only have a basis for your own writing, but also ethically use secondary sources or other research that you perform yourself? How do you incorporate that into your own ideas? So besides the direct instruction that students get in English 102, the course is required or a required prerequisite of many of our programs. So I think the direct instruction in English 102 is a great resource for students, both, in their classes and then with peers. But I think as well, we have some great resources in the Student Success Center on citations and avoiding plagiarism. They have handouts for quoting, paraphrasing, summarizing, also all of the different citation styles, both APA, MLA, and I think Chicago as well. In addition to the Success Center and our instruction in English 102, the library is also a really great resource for our students doing research. We've got access to several library databases that SWIC has access to. And I always encourage my students to use the cite button in any of the databases so that they are accurately getting the reference information for the citations for the sources that they're using. But also you can invite a librarian into the class and have them do a session on using the databases, citing correctly. We also are going to be adopting a new plagiarism and AI content checker called CopyLeaks. So when we switch to D2L Brightspace for the summer of 2023, we're going to have access to CopyLeaks as a new tool integrated into the LMS. So any assignments that have CopyLeaks attached to them, students can actually, before they submit their assignment, run a scan of their assignment and check it for any kind of sort of plagiarism issues. And then also from the instructor side, you can download a report of individual student assignments and use that as a teaching tool to sort of say, hey, here are the places where you're borrowing too much from another source. I think the AI content checker is going to be really great to start utilizing, especially with the advent of ChatGPT. There's been a lot of discussion around that. I know the college is talking about incorporating language around the use of AI into our academic dishonesty or academic honesty policy. So that'll be available to all students via like our course catalog and the syllabi, but I think just utilizing a variety of these resources and encouraging students to do so is one of the best ways that we can encourage ethics and the ethical use of research, and also just an understanding of information literacy and how to not only have your own ideas, which is what we focus a lot on in English 101, but how to support them with other people's ideas without losing your own or doing so in a way that doesn't credit where your information is from.